Hi everyone, right now I'll be showing you how to do the eKYC verification process on ngageN.com. So in order to do this, please sign in to ngageN.com first. So let me sign in using a Google account. So the eKYC verification process is mandatory for doing external transfers, which means it needs to be done for transferring your NFTs from ngageN.com to other external wallets. So once I'm logged in, go to my profile. So on top you can see a banner which reads please complete your eKYC. So when I click on verify now, a pop-up is displayed, and basically the eKYC verification on ngageN is done using your PAN card details. So let me enter the PAN card details. So I'll click on verify. So thank you for your details. Your KYC verification is completed. So right now the eKYC verification process is complete, and right now I have the ability to transfer my NFTs from ngageN wallet to other external wallets. Thank you.